Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burger gravy sauce easy guide. Start by collecting pan drippings, 2 tablespoons butter, and 2 tablespoons flour. Whisk flour into melted butter over medium heat until golden, then slowly whisk in 1 cup stock until smooth. Simmer until thickened, season with salt, pepper, and a splash of Worcestershire. Taste and finish with a pat of butter for shine and richness. Begin by reserving pan drippings and removing excess fat so the sauce is rich without greasy texture. Melt 2 tablespoons butter, stir in 2 tablespoons flour, and cook until the roux smells nutty and is light brown. Whisk in 1 cup warm beef stock a little at a time, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Simmer gently until the gravy thickens, then season and serve spooned over burgers or on the side. Use deglazing liquids like wine or extra stock to release flavorful brown bits from the pan, which layer into your gravy. If you want richer texture, stir in a tablespoon of cream or a pat of butter at the end for gloss and mouthfeel. Brighten the sauce with a teaspoon of vinegar or lemon juice to balance richness and make every bite of burger taste more vibrant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.